And of course, ay papakilala ko rin yung aking cast. Si John Tyron Ramos. And my real-life couple, Jane Arnesa and RK Bagetson. Okay, so sila naman yung mag-speech. Sir JP Abellera, come up the stage please. Yes.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Wala naman kaming hinandang speech pero gusto lang po namin kayong pasalamatan sa oras nyo at sana po magustuhan nyo, mapanoorin nyo and eventually maikalat nyo po ang napanood nyo para sa mga mahal nating magulang sa buhay at so far yun lang po. Hindi ko na po patatagalin. Ito po si Zane Arnesa.
Gusto ko lang po mag-thank you sa inyong lahat na nandito ngayon. Sobrang malapit sa puso namin itong movie na to and we're just really proud na kami ang napili nilang Ayla and Pao and si Callie is here with us and we're just really excited to share this movie and the message that this movie has sa inyong lahat. Yun lang. And thank you again.
Hi. Tyrone.
Again, congratulations to the cast and crew of Love Child. May we request our filmmaker to come forward to receive the certificate of recognition. To present this certificate of recognition, we would like to call on the Artistic Director of the Cultural Center of the Philippines, the President of Cinemalaya, Ms. Loris Guillen, Chairman of the Film Development Council of the Philippines, Jose Javier Reyes, and Cinemalaya Competition and Monitoring Chairperson, Carlos Guillen. The citation reads, Cultural Center of the Philippines and Cinemalaya Foundation Incorporated presents this certificate of recognition to Jonathan Urilia, Director, Love Child, finalist full-length feature film given this 5th day of August at the Cinema 2, Ayala Malls, Manila Bay, Macapagal Boulevard, corner Asiana Avenue, Parañaque City. Signed, Dennis N. Marasigan, CCD Artistic Director, Chris B. Villado, Cinemalaya 20 Festival Director, Carlos Sigion Reyna, Cinemalaya Competition and Monitoring Chairperson, Loris Guillen, Cinemalaya President, KC Tina, CCP President, and Antonio O. Huangco, Cinemalaya Foundation Chair. Photo ops for our cast and crew.
Our Southern Lantern Studios, and we are about to present to you our film called Love Child. We are beyond grateful for Regal Entertainment to partner with us in making this film happen. This is even more special since this is also the first time for Regal to do a Cinemalaya film. Hindi pa siguro dumadating ang aming boss, but let me introduce to you Ms. Rosel Monteverde, who executive produced this film with Sir Keith Monteverde. Miss Rosel Monteverde is the daughter of Mother Lily Monteverde, who we lost yesterday. Yesterday, we lost a pillar who opened the doors to so many people in this industry. This film is her love child. Let us offer a moment of silence to an icon, Mother Lily U. Monteverde. Nakikiramay kami sa kanyang pamilya and maraming salamat sa pagpapahiram ninyo sa kanya para sa industriyang ito. Now, let me introduce to you the director of Love Child, my literature professor in college. A father who made a film that serves as a love letter to his wife Rebe, to his daughter Naya, and most of all, to his son Oyen, Sir Jonathan Hurillia, director. Jonathan Hurillia.
Hello. Okay. I'm one of those people who dreamed of becoming a filmmaker when I was young. But due to very limited resources, I decided to forgo the dream. But what happens to a dream deferred? To quote the poet Langston Hughes. Does it dry up like a raisin in the sun, or fester like a sore and then run? Does it stink like rotten meat, or crust and sugar over a syrupy sweet? Maybe it just sags like a heavy load, or does it explode? For me, the answer to this one is all of the above. There were plenty of moments in my life when this dream of becoming a filmmaker, although forgotten, would come back, linger, and fester like a sore. It stank and sagged like a heavy load. Even as I got older, I started a family and reached the point of retiring from employment. The dream remained. But then, when I could no longer contain it, it exploded. The explosion was so strong and wide that it knocked me off my senses. And when I woke up, I found myself here, standing in front of you, delivering this speech like a drunkard with a hangover. So thanks to digital technology for democratizing filmmaking, and to some real friends, including a former student who always overacts as a tough guy, but is actually as soft as a cotton ball, Direk Arden Valdez. Thank you very much. And I would like to stress that this film is not mine alone. It is his as well. Ours, dahil ang Love Child ay isang malaking ensemble. I only provided time, space, and opportunity for them to showcase their filmmaking talents. At ngayong gabi, pinapakilala ko rin ang mga co-authors ko ng Love Child. So, of course, yun na nga, ang pinakauna, ang aking producer, Direk Arden Rod Cordes. Direk Arden, who also happens to be the writer of this film, with Direk Sonny Calvento and Sharon Dayo, co-producers. Co-writer, Ayo Martinez and Enjoy Bonino. Let's come up the stage.